Hello, welcome to show me how a home up tutorial. So in this video it will be a sharp one, step-by-step process on how you can open multiple YouTube channels using one email account, many YouTube channels using one email account. So that wastes time, let's dive in. Let's go. So you open your browser and you straight up go to youtube.com. So it will load up, it's loading up right away. So while it's loading, let's exercise patience. So after it loads up, so what you will do right here at the right top on your profile picture, on the profile, you click on it, so it will open. There you click on YouTube Studio. So YouTube Studio is opening. So let's exercise there. I think my network is a little bit slow today, but we're gonna bear with it. Wait as YouTube Studio open up. So here YouTube Studio has opened. So what we do, you can see, because I'm using a mobile phone, that is why is this. So you can see that this very okay. Let me check if it is okay. Desktop is the format is desktop. So at the bottom of this page, left side, you could see that symbol of setting. Here it is. You click on it. Yes. After clicking on it, so setting option will pop up. We show, so you click on shiny. After clicking on shiny, you click on advanced settings. After clicking on advanced settings, you scroll down. You see manage YouTube account. You click on manage YouTube account. On that page, window will open up. So let's wait for this window to open up so that we can process to the next stage of this video. Remember each step I have 10k, so it will help you. We are waiting, it's loading up. With other account setting. I don't know why my network is kind of little bit slow today, but all the way we're gonna get it done. Yeah, so it's opening, page is loading. So it has loaded up. Now let me zoom it so that you can see it from your end. Click on add or manage your channel. I'll click on it. I'll click on it. It's loading. It's gonna be here. So right here is showing me all of my channels that are connected to this email. So I'll click on create a channel. So from here you type in your channel name and the handle will automatically pop up there. So okay, let me just go like this. click on create. So and it will be loading. To be loading. Loading. Just have to exercise. Okay, we have gone through this. Yeah, Shiny has been what created. Look at the football arena. So from here you can customize your Shiny, which I will do in another video, but not in this video. I will teach you the most basic setting you need to set your new Shiny in order to avoid some setting whatsoever setting or predicted outcome that will affect your Shiny in the future. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, and again turn on the notification button so you'll be the first to receive a alert of any new video uploaded on this channel. Thank you.